Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be talking how to solve this problem unstable array which occur in Codechef starter 88. So let's begin with the problem statement. So the problem statement is you are given an array of size and we define the function and a subarray of LR is considered unstable if function of LR is not equal to a of R minus a of L. So you just need to return the count of the unstable array. So let's begin with the test cases. So if you will see and you will read the explanation, you will understand what the problem statement is and what they are asked to print. So let's consider an example and I will make you understand how do you think to solve this problem. So we let's consider an array one. The let's consider an array is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5. So they are asking you just need to print the total number of unstable array. Let's suppose we have function of L and R and let's suppose we have L is equal to 0 and R is equal to 2. So we just need to take up to this and we just need to 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3, and this is our first function, and a of R minus a of L would be 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 1. If they both are unequal, then we just need to count plus plus means answer. We need to add this subarray as an unstable array. Otherwise, we just need to continue. So this is our problem statement. So how you will solve this problem? So let's make some observation and let's think how you will solve this problem. So they are asking us f of LR is equal to what they are asking us. So it would be a of L minus a of L plus 1 plus a of L plus 1 minus a of L plus 2 plus a of L plus 2 minus a of L plus 3 plus so on up to a of R minus 1 minus a of R. So they are asking us to, the first function is pretty simple. They are asking us the first function, and the last function is the last. I will change the color. So the last is I will make it second function, a of R minus a of L. So if these two functions are not equal, then it will be unstable array. Otherwise it will be unstable array. If you carefully observe this statement, so you will this expression you will find. So the first one and the a of L plus 1 is cancel out, a of L2 is cancel out, and otherwise same as well, a of 3 is cancel out and a of R1 minus 1 is cancel out. So we only left with a of L and a of R. So we only left with function of LR is equal to a of L minus a of R, and the second function is a of R minus a of L. So now the problem statement becomes easy. So so now you can think over the array is only unstable if a of L not equal to, if a of L not equal to a of R. Otherwise, if both are equal, then the resultant will be same. And if they are not equal, then our array is unstable and you just need to count plus plus. You just need to add the unstable array in our answer. So let's discuss now. Now let's discuss the brute force solution for this problem. So the example is 1 2 3 4 5. So over so what we observed previously, if a of L is not equal to a of R, then we just need to count plus plus. And if you carefully observe, the problem statement is count the number of subarrays. So the problem statement means count the number of subarrays, and the how you will count the number of subarrays, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the count the number of subarrays. So we can use this formula in our problem statement, and we will get the answer. So let's discuss the brute force. After this we will discuss the optimized solution. First I will take L is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1. If we will take R is equal to 0, then A of R, A of L is equal, then they are stable, they are not unstable. So for 0, 1, it is unstable, so the count is 1. For 1, 2, they are unstable, the count is 2. For 2, 3, they are unstable, and likewise other as well. So at the end you will get n into n plus 1 divided by 2, which is 5 into 5 plus 1 divided by 2, 30 divided by 2, 15. So but this is not our answer. So because if we consider single element, then the array is not stable. So we just need to subtract n from the 15. I will get 10, and this is our final answer. So we just need to count the n minus 1 sub-arrays from the array. So how we will calculate n minus 1 sub-arrays? You just need to use this formula, n minus 1 divided by 2. You just need to use this formula. Let's consider an example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the brute force solution might be you just need to use two nested loops, and you just need to make, let's say, I will write the code, and I 0 to n and j is equal to I plus 1 till n. If a of I not equal to a of a, then just need to count plus plus, and at the end you just need to print over answer. This is our solution. The brute force solution time complexity is big of n square, and you might get an TLE. So in that case we will use an hash map. If you are facing these problem, like you just need to count sub arrays, and you might use hash map, and just need to how you will solve, and how we will able to get our answer. Let's see. So I will use an hash map. I will take an example 1 2 1 2 1 2. The answer is 4 for this problem. 1 2 1 2. I will make an hash map. For 1 the frequency is 2, for 2 the frequency is 2, and the number of subarrays is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and we are counting for n minus 1 subarrays, and it will be n minus 1, and it will give me n is, what is n, 1 2 3 4. N is 4, and 4 into 3 divided by 2, 12, and it will give me 6. It will give me 6. For first I will iterate over the hash map, and every time I will use this formula and subtract from our final result, and I will iterate. For first iteration I will use this formula. I will use this formula 2 into 2 minus 1, 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and I will subtract 1 from the 6, and the 6 become 5, 5. And after second time I will get 2. I will get again 1, and I will subtract 1 from over the answer. I will get 4, and 4 is over answer, and 4 is over answer. I made a hash map, and I will put all the element in the hash map, and I will store the frequencies, and at the starting I just call to my count function. It will give me the number of sub arrays, n minus 1 sub arrays, and for I will get values, and I just need to subtract it from the total pairs, which is over this pairs, and at the end we just need to print over total pairs. I hope you will understand the problem statement and the answer as well. If you make sure you will like and subscribe. I am very close to hit 10 subscribers. Make sure you will subscribe and drop a comment. I will see you in the next one. Bye.